is a flash flood warning for southeastern Broome County, Shenango County, western Delaware County, southwestern Otsego County, eastern Susquehanna County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Wayne County in northeastern Pennsylvania, until 5:30 p.m. At 1:33 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 2.5 inches of rain has already fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Norwich, Honesdale, Walton, Deposit, Sydney, Damascus, Guilford, Sanford, Susquehanna, Forest City, Egmeston, Plymouth, North Norwich, Coventry, Susquehanna Depot, Oxford, Stirling, Hartford, Coococton, and Sherburne. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. In hilly terrain, there are hundreds of low water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely.
Nice.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 617.
Yes, there are also some tornado watches in effect, so there we go. Got another flash flood warning, and this time it's for my county.